Find features that differentiate it from other brands for DRIFWIN Magnetic Cruise Approved Fan. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Strong magnetic base. Featuring a powerful magnetic fan base, this magnetic cruise fan easily attaches to metal surfaces in your cabin or on a desk, allowing flexible placement. It's the ideal, space-saving solution for ensuring steady airflow anywhere on board, making it a versatile cruise fan. LED display and high-capacity battery. This battery-powered portable fan is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, supporting both USB and plug-in charging for extreme convenience. The intuitive digital display precisely shows battery percentage and speed. The sleep mode turns off the display, making it perfect for extended use at sea, especially as a quiet travel fan for sleeping. Powerful airflow and restful comfort. Engineered for effective cabin ventilation, this fan delivers a refreshing breeze with focused airflow control. It is the ideal choice for maintaining comfortable airflow during sleep and relaxation on your cruise. With 4 customizable speed settings, including a natural wind mode, and a durable brushless motor, it ensures a well-ventilated environment for work or rest, solidifying its role as a key cruise essential. Ultra-slim and thoughtful gift. Measuring just 6.9 x 6.3 x 1.5 inches, this slim and portable fan is designed for travel without taking up much luggage space. It is the perfect cruise gift for friends and family about to set sail. As a cruise ship essential, it brings comfort and convenience to every traveler, ensuring a cool breeze is always at hand. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.